Welcome to our fifth video on difficult word endings. My name is Lois Bruno. Today, we are taking a look at ance and ence.
Ance is used to make nouns from verbs. Example: perform, performance. Ence is used to make nouns from adjectives. Example: intelligent, intelligence. However, both endings sound so similar that it confuses many people on which one to use. This video will demystify the confusion.
Use ance if the word is formed from a verb that ends in y, ure, or ear.
Example: 1. Ally, alliance. 2. Appear, appearance. 3. Insure, insurance. 4. Endure, endurance. 5. Apply, appliance.
Use ance when the hard C or G in the root word ending is to be retained. Do you understand what I mean by hard C and G ending? C and G are said to have hard sound if they're pronounced as K as in camera and G as in go.
Elegance, significance are typical examples.
Use ance if it is related to verbs ending in ate.
Example: 1. Tolerate, tolerance. 2. Dominate, dominance.
Use ence if the verb ends in ere.
Example: revere, reverence. Adhere, adherence. Cohere, coherence. Exception: persevere, perseverance.
Use ence when the soft C and G in the root word ending is to be retained.
Example: 1. Adolescent, adolescence. 2. Emergent, emergence. Vengeance is an exception.
Test how far you have learnt with this exercise. Choose the correctly spelt word from the following pair of words. Hope you got all. Thanks for investing your time with us. Please, remember to subscribe to our channel. Our next video will show when to use ancy and ensy. On behalf of Joseph Jacob, have a wonderful day.